And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a P Bandai exclusive. We have the HG After Colony or HGAC. We have the Leo R. One number 144 HGAC Leo R. Yes, this is from the manga. I think dual story G unit of the Gundam Wing series. And yes, as you can see in the box art, this is really feminine like Leo, but the pilot isn't. So I'm not sure why they did this for that. But anyways, off to the side, we see, of course, the Leo R front and back. We see what action poses you can do with him, and of course, we have some gimmicks here, and of course, the lens, which is the beam dual lens, or sorry, the beam dual lancer for the Leo R. And off to the other side, yes, we have the story about the Leo R here, and it will say that this is from the G unit of the new mobile suit report Gundam Wing dual story G unit. And of course, opening up and seeing what's inside the box. We have two screws, one multicolored, one olive gray, and of course a sticker sheet. Another bag for a light blue and a gray one. Another bag with the same color combinations, light blue and gray. Another sticker sheet with a multicolored screw, and of course more of that light blue, or rather a bluish white one, however you want to say it. And of course, we have the instruction manual. Again, as you can see, it is more feminine like for the other Leos. And of course, aside from that, we have the other Leo here. We have the Leo S and then the Leo N, which is also from the same manga. And yes, these are the Leos that has been repurposed in order to be the, what they call this, the Stardust Knights. Yes. Okay, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first up is the A sprue, which is unfortunately not multicolored, unlike the other sprues or for the other kits, which is multicolored. But hey, which is the I think the bluish white color. So we see parts of the shield here, the torso, the limbs. That's the A sprue here. We then have the B sprue, which is all gray, so more parts of the inner framing, some parts of the armor, I guess. Yep. And then we have the C sprue, rather the C1, which is the multicolored sprue. We have the white, some gold, some darker shades of blue, and of course a clear part, clear pink, yeah, for the beam effects. It also has a C2 part, which is some other parts of the, sorry, replicated. Yep. So some dual parts here. We also have a D1 coming back to the same bluish white color. Also has a D2, same color there. More parts for the legs and armors, I guess. An E1, so manipulators, hands, I think some part of the weapon or backpack, I guess. And of course, an E2. So more parts of the inner framings, I guess. Yep. And then we have, say, the PCB, or sorry, the PC7, which is for the joints. And of course, the sticker sheets we have here. So kind of small sticker sheet for a P-banded. Anyways, yep. And there you have it, again, fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of HGAC 1 number 144 Leo R, a Bandai exclusive. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and leaving a like, viewing the videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.